forsake me, oh my darling, on this our wedding day. Do not forsake me, oh my darling. Wait long. The noonday train will bring Frank Miller. If I'm a man, I must be brave, and I must face that deadly killer. Or I a coward, a craven coward, or lie a coward in my grave. Oh, to be torn twixt love and duty, supposing I lose my fair half beauty. Look at that big hand move along here in high noon. He made a vow while in state's prison, vowed it would be my life or his, and I'm not afraid of death, but oh, what will I do if you leave me? Do not forsake me, oh my darling. You made that promise when we wed. Do not forsake me, oh my darling.